Alright, we have a broken fishing pole on my last trip to the swamp. This tip's all broken. First thing to do is get the old one off. I heat it up, hopefully, and pull it right off. Nothing to it. Now we've got two eyes here. Hopefully one of them's going to fit. That's not it. That's a size 8 for the something else. Uh-oh. We're down to one. Be a very short video. I don't like the looks of this. I think it's too big. It's way too big. Okay. Well, I thought I had two of those. I thought I had a big one and a small one, and one of them was going to fit, and that's not going to work. And there's the old one. And I'll have to order new ones before I go any further. So anyway, that stops that video for a while. Bummer! Okay, took me a while, but I've got a new part. I've got a new tippet, and I think this one's the right size, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. It's really an incredibly simple application. You just melt some hot melt glue and put it on there. That's this is easy. Everybody can do it. Not a problem. This is as easy as that. That about does it. That adds. I got this at the hunting and fishing store. Which one did I go to? I think it came from Cabela's. They're in a rack. There's 3 of them in a package. You can get them one in a package. Even got some glue in there with it. But I made this stuff for 40-some years, so I have plenty of that laying around. But it costs about, I think it was under $4 for the 3 pieces. And they're very, very simple to apply. There's anybody can do it. If you need it, just do it. That hot melt glue makes it very easy to take off if you have to replace it. And if you're like me, you will. Anyway, that's about it. Y'all have a good day. I'm getting ready to go fishing.